Today is a very special day for New South Wales, and it's a special day for the future of advanced manufacturing and jobs in New South Wales.
We have selected 6 universities in Australia as part of the Prime Minister's Industry 4.0 task force to form a group, one per state, that actually understands that the sort of skills are going to be quite different to what we've had in the past.
UTS is absolutely delighted to be receiving the Siemens software grant, which will give some 25,000 of our students and our researchers access to advanced software used by leading companies right around the world. Think of it as an infrastructure, an enabler to help New South Wales in its transition to the future of work. It provides a platform to train engineers and educate the technologists of the future.
There is an urgency to replace the skills that are existing today and re-equip the workforce for that future.
We're doing a revolution thinking about how do we educate people all the way through their lives while they're in the workforce, no matter what their background, no matter what their career paths are. And that's what this software represents us to do.
I think the disciplines of the future will be colliding. So our traditional understanding of what is an engineer, a tradie, what is our traditional understanding of what constitutes someone who works in a particular part of the economy, I think is changing, and we need to be open to that, and we need to be ahead of the curve.